Hi, this is Tobias from the world of motorcycles. Today I landed in Italy at the Askoll electric scooter factory. Do you know this brand? I didn't know it either until yesterday. Today I'll be riding and testing it here on this beautiful track. The track isn't very big, but it's full of sharp turns. We have two versions, the Askoll ES2 and the Askoll ES2 Pro. What's the difference between them? The Askoll ES2 is the standard version for civilian use. It's a two-seater scooter powered by an electric motor. You won't find an exhaust here. The scooter is equipped with very large wheels, so riding around the city on bumpy roads won't be a problem. For testing, we also have the ES Pro, another scooter from Askoll. What's the difference? Mainly, it's designed for commercial use, such as delivering pizza. And here we already have a central trunk installed for large items. It has a completely different frame, which is more durable in the rear section. Askoll is an Italian manufacturer of electric scooters. Interestingly, they started out by producing electric devices for aquarium maintenance. Speedometer displays speed with an analog gauge. We have it, I hope you can see it. Indicator lights for turn signals, lights, high beam temperature, high beam indicator, battery indicator, distance traveled, and the time. Besides that, PT Tech, turn signals, high beam, low beam. Starting it is just like on a regular motorcycle. Only after turning the key and pressing this button will the scooter start moving. The scooter started up and shook a bit when I twisted the throttle. Here we got some power. The ride is a bit more enjoyable. I have to be a bit careful because it's gotten slippery. It was raining just a moment ago, and they've already warned me not to go crazy with the crash. I'll try not to do that. The whole fun of it is kind of gone now. Well, I just want to go forward, stretch my leg out,